Hello guys, I'm here with another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about a tool that you can use to reset your password for any Windows operating system, whether it's Windows 7, 8, 10, or any other Windows Server editions. This is a very simple to use tool. All you have to do is you have to create a bootable USB drive for this tool, boot your system with it, and you will be provided with options to reset your password. I'll show you that in just a minute. To begin the process, you have to download an ISO file. I'll share the link in the description. And you should have a USB drive handy. Make sure that you have backed up all of your data because we will be formatting that USB drive. And third thing is you'll require a software called Yumi. That is YUMI. So let's start with this process. First, go to your browser and type in Yumi. It will take you to this page. Click on the link Yumi Multi USB Creator. Scroll down and download the legacy version. Don't go to the UEFI version, download the legacy version. Once you have successfully downloaded your Yumi, just run it. Plug in your USB drive. Once your USB drive is listed, go to the second step. Click on this drop down menu. Scroll down to the bottom. Select Single Windows PE. This is a Windows pre-installation environment console that we will be utilizing for running this password reset tool. Select Windows PE, then click on Browse and locate your ISO file, and then click on Open. Then click on Create. Once your USB drive is created, click on Next and then click on No. Once you're done, reboot your computer using your newly created USB bootable drive. Once you have successfully booted with your USB drive, you will be provided with this window. Use your up and down arrow key to select the menu options. Select Windows PE, press Enter, and then select Pass Reset Single PE, then press Enter. It will load up the Windows pre-installation environment with the tool in it. Once all the necessary programs are loaded, you will be provided with this window. This is a password reset tool. Now once you have this window, you have to select SAM, that is for your local user accounts only. The second option is for Active Directory accounts. We will not be using this option right now. I'll explain it to you in a later video how to use it for Active Directory user accounts. But as for this video, we will only be using SAM. Come down, you will see what do you want to do. Here, click on the drop down menu. Either you can click on Edit User Account Properties, but for now, just select Reset or Change User Account Password. Once you have selected it, click on Next. You don't have to change anything here. It will automatically pick up all the necessary configuration files that are present in your operating system right now. Then click on Next. Then it will show you all the user accounts present in your system currently. As of right now, in this system, I'm not using the default administrator or guest. This is my user, SERVERBRO, and it is password protected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset the password for it. Once you have selected your user, click on Next. Enter your new password. Also, you can change these options too according to your preference, but I would suggest for now just reset your password and then click on Reset Change. Once you have resetted your password successfully, it will ask you if you want to create a rollback file. It's totally up to you. If you want to do that, you can click on Yes. I personally prefer not to do it, so I click on No. It will show you that account is successfully modified. Now you should eject your bootable USB, CD or DVD drive and restart the computer. Click on OK, then click on Exit and click on Yes, and then it will reboot your computer automatically. Once your system reboots normally, go to the login screen and enter your newly created password, and you'll be able to log back into your computer. So this was the easiest way to reset your password without going through renaming or changing system files like we did in my previous 2 videos. So this is the easiest way to reset your password for any of your Windows operating system, whether it's 7, 8, 10 or server editions. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If any of you face any kind of problem, please share your concerns in the comments. I'll surely help you out with it. And thank you very much for watching my videos. If you like the video, please share it, like it, and subscribe to the channel. I'll really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.